New tonight, Georgia Attorney General Chris Carr in coastal Georgia this afternoon discussing new and ongoing efforts to combat violent crimes and gang recruitment. WSAV's Nikaya Harris was there and spoke to Carr about the 4 things he says will help curb the problem.
An anti-gang prosecution meeting bringing in over a dozen law enforcement agencies to talk gangs and crime prevention in Southeast Georgia.
So we had an incredible group, over 100 people in this room, over 30 agencies to sit here and talk about ways that we can keep our community safe.
Attorney General Chris Carr tells News 3 effective communication and partnerships with law enforcement agencies is the key to reducing gang violence.
To be able to leverage the resources and the assets that we have to keep people safe. This is literally about violent crime. It's about gang activity, and the thing that worries me most is who's most often terrorized by a gang. Lower income, racially diverse, and immigrant population.
He says they are sticking to 4 pillars.
And what we have is we have 4 pillars. It's improved communication, improved intelligence sharing, improved prosecutions, but also identifying proven programs, anti-recruitment programs, so we can get to kids early on, that we can intervene, we can prevent them from ever joining a gang.
In July 2022, Carr created the first statewide gang prosecution unit. Since then, he says the unit has secured 32 convictions and indicted 105 people across the state. The unit is currently prosecuting the largest motorcycle gang case in state history in Bryan County.
That's a great example of the partnerships. I mean, I think it was more than 15 or 20 different agencies that came together, not just in Georgia, but largely in Southeast Georgia, some in South Carolina and others in Florida as well, to work together to hold this biker gang accountable.
Attorney General's office says the case involves 16 alleged members of the Outcast Motorcycle Gang or Outlaw Motorcycle Gang. Defendants are alleged to have engaged in an armed robbery attempt and shooting in Richmond Hill. We asked Carr if there are updates on this case.
So I don't want to talk too much about the case. However, it continues to move forward. We're excited to be the lead prosecutor in it.
This begs the question, is Southeast Georgia seeing more gang-related activity compared to other regions?
Gang activity is not an issue that's specific to Brunswick or Glenn County or Southeast Georgia. It's occurring all over the state, whether it's a neighborhood gang, a nationally affiliated gang, or a transnational gang. So it's just important all over the state to make sure that we're doing all that we can to fight violent crime.
Nikaya Harris, WSAV News 3, on your side.